Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning, sunshine. Marcus just told me that I'm going to tell you where we are. In Enköping, McDonald's. The clock is 7:30 a.m. and we're having McDonald's. And he's driving to Orlando because he's going to Gran Canaria. I'm his sister, oldest sister, his firstborn sister. Var ska du? Where are you going?
I'm going to Spain, Gran Canaria.
Terminal 5. Bye. Over and out.
Over and out. I'm here. Finally here in Gran Canaria. So now I just need to find my way out and find my way to the hotel. I've really felt like I needed to go somewhere and just recharge my batteries and try to find some energy again. And I have nothing planned. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Hopefully we can find something good, some adventures. We'll see. I rented a car so I can travel around the island. It's obviously like a lot of mountains here, so I think there's a lot of things to see. But I haven't done any research of what to do here. I just want to rest, have a good time. It's just vacation, you know? Damn, it's sunny here. Let's go. There we go. All right. I am the youngest guy on this hotel. All the people that I met so far, it's like maybe 30, 40 years older than me, but it's fine. Oh, I need some electricity here. Camera, turn yourself. No, I don't have any bathtub. God damn it. Well, I mean, this will do. It's a nice bed. I kind of like the vibe in here. It's good. Do you want to know the best part about being a content creator? You always get rooms with a view! Yeah, so, the view. You can see a large tank, flammable liquid. That's perfect. I'm the first one to explode here. A large palm. I mean, if you got something here, at least. Good morning, Gran Canaria. It's the first day here and I've been chilling at the pool the entire morning. It's time for me to do a quick workout and then I'm going to try to explore the island here. So, yeah, follow me along. So I'm finally done with the workout. It was a pretty short workout. I've not been working out for a really long time, and this was kind of the plan with the trip as well, like get started working out and all that. So I'm very glad that we did the first workout the first day, and yeah, I feel like I'm done. So now I'm going back to my hotel room and I'm gonna make sure that we change our clothes and get ready to explore the island. I'll see you later. Ciao. I'm on a bit of a road trip here, exploring the island. I'm going to a shopping mall and see if I can find something. I saw that they had some good brands there that I like, so I'm gonna go there, check out the stuff they got, and in the meanwhile, explore these mountains here and the island. Found this place. It's so beautiful. It's like a waterfall, like a hole with nothing inside of it, and it looks really beautiful. So I was really happy I watched this place, and I saw a picture on Google and I just thought I have to see this, and obviously it looks amazing. Alright you guys, this was the first day of my trip to Gran Canaria and I had a really good day. It was spontaneous. I did a workout, I went to the pool. Oh, by the way, tomorrow I'll get a massage. Yes! What the heck am I doing? I just went out doing a road trip on my own in the mountains. I saw some really beautiful environment. I went to the waterfall, which was amazing. Now I'm just editing the video. And I hope you guys will like it. And if you do, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram. My name is Racem93 on all of those. So, thank you guys for watching. I love you. See you.